Yeah, vinegar it down, you know? Eh? Yeah, man, the vinegar. You don't know, most of them don't know. Them don't know more vinegar. Vinegar clean up, wash out the meat. If I see me, I use the vinegar. I say vinegar. Most everybody them cook. If everybody cook different still. That's for sure. Body cook different. Yeah, man, I can't click, man. Yeah, click, man. Alright. Season rice and peas. Scallion and the pepper and the thyme. Yeah. That never put it in the night. Yeah. And the meat.
Alright, man. Season of this, natural, you know.
Season to the bone, that one.
Season to the bone. Check in people watching.
Go. Pepper, I'm going to meat at you know. Take a back piece of the pepper, you can make a son of feet. Garlic. Garlic paper. Oh. The onion and the garlic, then I'm just put on a while ago. feel like I want to buy a piece more meat, you know, a triple of meat, you know. But I like, I'm buy meat, I'm going to get certain. I like buy the meat and I mean. Time, tomato, make a fry up then, yeah. Fry up the chicken. Alright, browning. Browning this. Let this go on soak in. Let that go on soak. Yeah, peeps. Make this go on soak. Go on soak in. Let that go on soak in. Check in when the coconut are greater. Yeah. I may have the juice we're gonna make as well too. Some Joe plum juice with pine. Somebody with it because I'm a natural man, I don't really drink certain kind of juice, you know. Alright. Yeah, man, that's all we do with Jamaica. We just down to earth, natural man. I love greater my cook. I really fancy the blend. I like greater. When I grate it, me get everything from it that way. I like it that way. So me always love my grater. When I grate tight, make my rice and peas nice. I always a grater. I need another grater too as well. So a grater I mash up. I'm gonna get one another grater. Then they are going so. I hate that, you know? I hate that. So I'm gonna just juice it, you know? And get it for the fire. Can't come down from. And the pea is this. I'm tell you some look up a shelly rice and peas, you know. Shelly rice and peas.
Mike, right?
Yeah, man. Don't forget the pimento seed. Forgetting the pimento seed tonight. And the garlic. Get the garlic, you know? Get in the garlic tonight. Chicken they are going to soak out.
Pepper, coconut juice are going in. Yeah, I'm going to strain it off in the pot.
Yeah, let's strain it up, you know? Get a tight squeeze out.
Yeah, man. One of coconut juice in the rice.
Try to boil it. Yeah, no. Boil. Some rosemary tea, make him look while ago. Rosemary tea, good for your memory. Yeah, my big woman friend, tell him what go on. Make a cup of it. A morning time and give me look a young boy. I say, can I pick up him brain? in the salt, like the salt will go in it. So I'll get another juice now. Make that one. Fit in the salt this. Yeah. Right. But you know what I'm saying? I don't know still now. You see my judgment? I'm my food when I cook still. I don't taste my pot. I'm know everything can. You understand that one? I miss my other salt back there, you know. I see that one there. I don't miss. I don't miss, you know? That good, you know? Yeah, man, that good. Alright, so I'm gonna fry people. So I'm gonna fry the chicken in it. I'm gonna put it in and I'm fry it. Alright. Yeah, me I tell my brother, yeah. I have to give my brother the channel. I can go find it and I can watch what I go on, you know? Yeah, I'm a virgin there, so I do the content, a video, as I tell you, say, you have a Bluetooth channel. Jamaica at them best TV. So I want you to go and check it out. Jamaica at them best TV, yeah? Yeah. What you say, brother? No, man, it's a black in him though. See me? See? Yeah. Yeah, anything once the content clean and nice. What do we think? Yeah. Family. Yeah. So let that go and fry up, you know? Yeah, Jonah lifestyle. You watch Junior Lifestyle? I mean if you watch them station there. Sweet, just sweet. Oh, when me call her, but she blocked me. So me call her, so like a sweet, but she hang up for me. I understand.
Yeah, we check them time frames for
Yeah. That beat me, that English. Yeah. Yeah, you can go on frying. You want to go and take some of that?
Nah, when you hear me, I might turn to you.
Yeah. So We're up into the well, so some of them peas are kind of soft, you know. As I say, them saying now. Some of them peas, some mix some of them.
Yeah.
And that go on, you know. My brother said, boy, I watch the peas them too much. Oh, look at them cooking now. Oh, so some of them want to go and cook here. I'll pour a little more water in, eh? You know, put the ice in it. The ice there. Go and do it out. When that boil up back, right? Let it boil up back. The air there come with the air there stuff out of that pot. First you see that air there. First you see that air there just drink out of that pot.
Really so, now that's in my mind.
I was. And so. Yeah. Hook the ice in the peas there, you know? I got some of them. Coke. Just the ice it long time. Let them that melt out. So they can put in the rice tonight. Yeah. So me I go and fry them chicken. I go and fry off them chicken, you know? Fry them, then just cook them up. One more higher than that, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna take all this season off, right? like the peas. Hmm? I want to talk, you know. You see? I want the talk, you understand me? I want that give me problem, you know. Don't boil still. Give it one, give it more time. Give it more time. So I mix the peas in. There are some other peas in there. So sorry me mix it, because it give me a mixed flavor, you know. My rice right there in the pot already. And throw in the rice. Some of the peas are going soft while some of them are kind of soft. Let's just go and wait until them boil. So now I want to take time. I'm done boil off this. You know, best thing. I wash the rice. Yeah. My juice over training. I want to buy one case of juice, you know, them things that your mother say I do, you know. I want to take them and fry them, you know. Wash the rice, that's you know. You know, say, when you're cooking a pizza, if you don't have love in your hand, the food now tastes nice. You have to have just to deal with it with love, you know. If you know, you can't ignorant and cook like that, you know.
You know that, man.
Can't ignorant and cook. Sometimes I feel that way there, I feel the result. No juice, how you look for juice? How you take out? Oh, black cherry you take out. And cheeky. Cheeky.
Yeah, what's the name?
Tell him to ask, yeah. Whatever I want to ask, yeah. Everything that. I'm gonna touch on you know?
Yeah, I see you watching, man. That's why.
Go on, go in some more. Go in some more again. Brother said, now watch it. Just one them fire from chicken now. Then I start great I'm waiting in there. Yeah, then I start great. Don't after 2-piece liver to put in the pot.
Only 2-piece liver
That's a 1 piece. Put in after the chicken make a cut it clean. Now do peep, I feel me fine. Knife up sharp, you know. Greater, my fine, you know. My greater, my fine, me not really. It's all about my greater, you know. Tell them on the truth. It's all about my greater. All about my greater. All about my greater. I tell you the truth. So it was some fine skin now. My boil it and the ginger together. My boil it and the ginger together. Some of the Boil. Boil. Greater my pie.
Yeah, use no blender.
Use a blender. It's great, man. Like the skin now. I get the ginger out of the fridge. I will have my ginger, you know, I'm trying to run out of my ginger. Yeah. I'm trying to run out of my ginger. Like a piece of it, then I put ginger in it. Dada! This is set up here. 1 cent. Yeah, I mash up my ginger. I put in it. Go and boil. Go and boil. Yeah, look like I made it now. Hopefully. Okay. It's still kind of tough, you know. You. Marvin. Alright, it's on. Let me get that little more time. Let me get that little more time. I'm going to spin over there.
This one hot oil right now. Yeah, this is
Sweet to the pot. Alright.
as I said, behind the scenes, everybody jump on carbon copy them, they want to come check out. One of them dangerous. Hey man, see madam, you chicken on our right? People respond that, no one wants some of that my people check in Jamaica, not them best TV.
It's go and simmer down, you know? Go and go down and put in some ketchup in it, give it a flavor, you know? and do it one thing. Rice and peas, you know.
I tell you what I want. I tell the family what I want, bro. Rice in a pot. Trouble.
Knock him out.
Big up your native, bug up yourself and the rice down, boy.
Yeah, that is it, you know.
Rice in a pot, my son.
Yeah, it. Red rice and peas, you know.
Meat a simmer down. Rice in a pot.
Dada. Oh.
Yeah, man, see you have to go outside.
How to operate your hand and whatever you are greater to the greater. In a touch over my finger. Touch over my finger. But most people, that's why they go to blender. They don't know how to deal with it. They cut up some of them fingers. But me, love my greater.
The green pen. Pineapple. And ginger.
You catch up the next one up in there.
Yeah.
After. Alright, well then put like a piece of for me to eat, like a piece of pine there. Done greater that. Pour it up there. Yeah, take out the wet out of the freezer. The ketchup. What you on? Right. Put in the ketchup in and the meat, you know. What you on? Me a forward. it.
I want to touch it. Oh, go on.
That's in pan the meat. One simmer in. You know the ketchup will make the gravy and all get thick up. Yeah, eat that.
I go on the rice pot. Still go in the rice pot.
Check, it's all about check, you know.
Like it a bubble up now.
That's all. Smell like a. You smell it, don't you?
It's
Smell
just
it.
like a boil.
Yeah, like a. I'll put one side. Go on.
Go ahead and the juice to peeps. Yeah, man.
I'm going to throw that in the juice. Go on. Right up one out of the way. So we can dig up that pot here back. The pot you have to dig up, you know. To get the rice soaked properly. Next time I have some brown rice I want to cook, you know.
Cool now. That make it nice.
You like brown rice? Brown rice, brown rice to eat. So,
I'm brown rice. Healthy too, you know.
brown rice. You smell it down. Leveling back off, you know? Alright. Smell the ginger, you know? Smell the wetting there, you know? Smell it, man. Alright, that's one people them swab. This one I boil. I get it in from this. Get it in from that, you know? Coconut water. Steam together, you know? My boy have some ackee. The man put with it too. One dry down, you know, so the color flavor change. Just one dry down. When it dry down now, I say, yeah, I like it up. Just one dry down a little. Dry down a little bit more. I have gravy in it. Some of them want it just one dry down. Right. Rice I do it thing, you know.
Check a little kind of stuff.
Shelly rice and peas. When I say shelly rice and peas, shelly, nice. Me fi tell you. And the juice there's a go on with thing. So put all the skin in it, we make a dough. Strain it. The best thing start from now. Street kinda warm. Street kinda warm. Yeah, kinda warm.